Michael, what are you nervous about? He said, I'm nervous that I'm not nervous. Let's go. Let's go. Give it up one more time for Michael. We're going to take it home.